today we are going to see how to make this electrical fan by using this electrical fan making kit. It is a pedestal fan. Now let us see what all things we will get in this box. There are few wooden cutouts. This is the tower with the motor fixed in it. Then cell holder, 4-blade fan, wooden cutouts, and very important, a instruction manual which is having all photographic steps in it. All steps are given using photographs. So let us see how to assemble this. Okay, so for doing this, now you take this, open the pouches. We will keep cell holder and 4-blade fan aside for some time. Now in this pouch there are few rubber bands, small and big size rubber bands are there. Then apart from this, there are few wooden cutouts in this pouch. Now let's see how to do the assembly. Take this rectangular base and these two type of similar wooden cutouts. Now you insert this and put a rubber band around it, so it will be fixed. Insert another cutout from the base. Whatever color you want, you can insert from the opposite side. If you want it should be green, so insert it from blue side. If you want it should be blue, insert it from green side. Okay, then put a rubber band. It is fixed. Now put this fan in this cutout like this. Okay, now to fix it again, put a rubber band around it. Now put it aside. Let us see how to assemble this part now. Here this logo of Stepstodo, it should come in front. So start inserting these rods from the back side. Okay, if you find it's very difficult to insert these rods, now what you can do, any normal candle wax you can take which is not provided in the kit, and apply this candle wax on this rod. Sometimes this happens with wooden parts. Wooden parts may change their shape in half mm or something like that, but then you can very easily, it will get inserted using candle wax. And put this flower type of stud in front. Okay, like this. It should be like this. Now don't forget to apply candle wax on both sides, so that what will happen, this candle wax will act as a lubricant for the wood, and so that these wooden parts will get inserted into one another very easily. Let's do one thing. We'll apply this candle wax on all studs. At a time. Then we will try to insert. So it will be easy for us as well. Let's see. You have to apply a little pressure. This should be a little bit, and unless and until you are applying a even pressure, your product will not get damaged. So don't worry about it. Apply even pressure, even amount of pressure. Okay. This is the final part of your assembly, making this fan. Apply good amount of wax. Just rub the wax on this like this. So these are the troubleshoots actually. If wooden parts are not getting fitted into each other, apply some amount of wax. See, I am applying pressure, but as it is even pressure, your product will not get damaged. Don't forget to apply wax on both sides. Any candle wax, any candle, small, big, doesn't matter. Insert it. Okay. Now it's about to finish. It's almost ready. Now to put this, this is the front part of your fan. What I will suggest, you just take out the stand in your hand, put it on the ground, and then try to insert it like this. Okay, it's going to be like this. Before doing this, don't forget to put the fan on the shaft of the motor. But after putting this fan on the shaft of the motor, just make sure that fan is rotating easily, freely, it's not getting stuck anywhere. Then now you put this and close your fan. Now while doing this, it may be a little tricky for you, so if you find it's becoming difficult, apply candle wax on the end once again. Don't forget to apply on 4 sides of the rod and then try to insert. Okay, you're supposed to just, now look at me, you're just supposed to match these holes and press it. Now while, as I told you earlier, while doing this, if you are putting even pressure, then it's okay. It is okay to apply some pressure, but if you are using uneven pressure, then it's difficult. Okay. One by one, you just try to fix the rod in its position, one by one. Now almost all are done. Now this upper part is remaining. Try to fix it. It's done. Now while doing this, you are not supposed to press it very deeply, because if it get pressed, it will hinder the fan movement. Okay, this much is fine. Now just the way you added this flower stopper here, add this on another side and make it even. If it's coming out extra, so press it back and make it even. Okay, okay, like this. Now your fan is almost ready. Now there is one way you can use it, that is, you can use it as a hand fan for this. Now look at this cell holder. You're supposed to remove the release paper. Before that, just take out the cell holder, insert battery in your cell holder, and place it back. You can paste it here so that the switch and the crocodile clips will come in front like this. Now see, there are 2 pins. Add this crocodile clips to these 2 pins. Your fan is ready. Switch on, switch off, and your fan is ready. Now as we want to put it in, if we want to make it as a, look like a pedestal fan, reinsert on the stand, fix the stand. If you feel the stand is very loose, this small rectangle piece is given in the kit. If you feel it like that, you just put this small rectangular piece in this here, in between the place of these 2, so that it will get locked here, and then you can again apply rubber band. Now let us see. Now whether this fan is working or not working, I will show you the demonstration of it using some foam balls, foam pieces. Now, if air is not coming in front, for example, if air is not coming in front, only you are supposed to reverse the terminals. Okay? If you reverse the terminal, the rotation of fan will be reversed, and air will now see. Now air will not come in front. Now, if again I reverse the terminals, like where it is red, we should put the black, and black we should put the red. It will start working. Now, again I have reversed the terminal. Now it's working.